All right, hello. First YouTube video of my how do I make 2,000 a week. So everything starts the same, 8 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock. All right, I do this routine over and over again. It's the same thing. It's usually 5 days a week. Sometimes I work a little more, but that's because I just rather be making money than just sitting around the house doing nothing. But it's been always been averaging 2,000 a week. Sometimes I make a little more, sometimes I make a little less. But it always 2,000 is what I average if you add everything up. I have made this much in the past. What is it, like almost 9 months? I'll post it right here. All right, for the past 9 months or almost 9 months. All right, now on the beginning of the year, I started this. I worked my way up through Uber, all right, and Lyft. Uber seems to be paying me a little more than Lyft, all right, and they reward me for having an electric car, which is the Tesla. You make a lot of money with it. So this is how much money I have made from the beginning, and this, and then this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. You catch it on? And this, and this, and this, and this, and this, this, and this on, and this is the rest of them. As you can see, from January up until now, which is about 5 months later. Where are we? September? No, June. Until June. All right. Hold on, June. Yeah, June 18th. June 18th. All right. And this is how much money I made in the beginning. All right. In the beginning, you're gonna start really slow. You're gonna start making a little bit of money, but you're gonna put in a lot of hours. As you work your way up through Uber, then it starts getting a lot easier. All right, and then you start making more and more and more, and then now you don't have to work as much. So as of right now, I only work, well, I work 6 still. I mean, but I don't have to. I can work 5. All right, and I still make my 2. It's just that friends don't want to do anything, so I just rather work and make money. Tips and everything is on my website. All right. You can follow me right here. I'm gonna put it right down here somewhere. The website, okay. My routine is right there. It is stupidly simple. All right, all you gotta do is put in the hours. I put in 12. I gotta put in at least 12 hours every day, 5 days a week. Now, sometimes I put more than 5 days. All right, but that's just me. I like doing what I'm doing. I like meeting people. I like going out. Sometimes I drive rich people around. They invited me to go to a restaurant with them because they just plainly like me. But just making connections, conversations, all right, and treating people with professionalism. Just keep making this money. Let's see how far I can take this. I got the website, I got the Instagram, I got the affiliate. I invest money into the market. Let's see how much passive income I can create to this Uber. One of my main goals is to pay for my whole entire car coming September, which is coming up. That'll be a year me driving for Uber. If I can pay off my car, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna rent that on Toro. That's why I'm creating my income, but I need more passive income. That's why I'm doing this, including the YouTube. All right, so follow me. And let's get this ball rolling. Let's make some money.